Hello, Don here, the German 3D printer nerd. And today I got a package from Owl Filament. Yeah. He said he was going to send me a surprise package to test out. And yeah, well, I opened the package already up because that was a little bit strange how he taped everything together, but yeah, I got it open so that I can open each box and take a look inside. First one we got here, this is the gray filament. Yeah. Oh, it seems like he sent me a couple of rolls of filament that I'm going to need for my next project. Oh, and yes, this is really nice. Owl filament. This is all PLA. Here's a roll of white and standard roll size 1 kilo. I think that's 1 kilo of filament, and then the spool itself, because these things are heavy. But I'll just weigh them out in just a second. This is a roll of white one, and they are wound really nice, I must say. I've seen other rolls of filament that look like a child wound them up and not a machine. And this one, oh. This here, this is that dark gray metallic. I've had a similar filament like this. That's that silver gray that I had. But this, wow, they look really nice. But I don't know what's going on with my system. I just had another freeze frame, but I got my scale, so set that at 0 because I want to know the total weight of one of these packages here. One, two, four, 5. 1,245. That means you have, not like other sellers that say you get a 1 kilo spool and you only have something like 800 grams of filament on it, and then the rest is the spool itself, you know, saying that it's 1 kilo but you only have 850 grams of filament, you know. Our filament delivers you 1 kilo of filament, and then there's a spool. So 1,245 grams on this silver gray, 1,350 on the white. So there's definitely more than a kilo on there. And this gray has, wow, almost 1.5 kilo. 1,497 grams. And I mean, wow. There's really so much filament on here. I can only say, if you don't buy your filament there, you're stupid. I mean, don't get me wrong, but at 15 euros and 90 cents the kilo, and you get really a kilo of filament. And they have a wide color spectrum in PLA. They also have PETG, TPU filaments, and a couple of what's that old filament called? ABS, yeah. Trying to remember what the name was. ABS. But anyway, I will be testing these filaments out on my upcoming project. I will how shall I say? Yeah, it's going to be in videos of it. Oh, anyway, and videos will be, yeah, they will be posted extra. Everything under project Ausmerzer Battleship. That's for the dark gray and the gray. And then we'll see how that goes. But until the next time, take care everybody, and happy printing.